the eclipse, how to hold yourself prior to the eclipse. Tomorrow is the last day of the lunar cycle, and it's the prep for the eclipse on Saturday. And on Saturday, we have the new moon coupled with the eclipse. And when I take a look at the energy of this eclipse, it feels like it's an opportunity to hold a very clear intention of what you want to eclipse and shift inside you. We want to hold the focus on what is it that you want to shift inside yourself, as opposed to what is it you want to shift in your outer world. Now, one process that you could do is you could think to yourself, okay, what is it in your outer world, body behavior, finances, relationship, physical health, whatever it might be in the outer world that you don't like, that you want to have change, and then ponder what is the energy that you're holding inside yourself that's creating that outer challenge. And then you say to yourself, I really want to shift how I hold myself in my core that's creating this outer challenge. And I'm just going to give an example. So if your finances are not as abundant as you want them to be, and you're in a place of fear and lack, then where is it inside yourself that you are not seeing all of your beauty, thinking that there's something that's wrong with you deep in your core, that you're not enough? If you feel like you're being controlled by the outer world, where is it inside you where you don't feel like you're in control of your own self? And then use the eclipse energy to really roll up your sleeves, crank up your courage, take a deep breath in, and you invite your higher self, body divas, higher self, those energetic aspects of you, your team, to begin activating your desired vibration inside yourself last day of the lunar cycle and during the day of the lunar eclipse, that new moon, and setting the intention of, I'm holding all my control chips in my line. I'm referencing where I am enough in direct connection with the light that flows within me. I am deeply valuing some vibration that flows within me that's beautiful, that's perfect, that has flow, that has support, that has consistency. So start taking the pressure off of the outer world, put the pressure on the inner world, and use your intent, your energetic self, your awareness to eclipse that part of you deep in your core. Oh.